What's going on, guys? So it feels like I haven't done a video in so long, so today I'm going to try to whip out a video. We're going to talk about all these cannabis companies. We're going to catch you guys up on the sector. It's been quite a roller coaster of a week. We've seen Aurora Cannabis and a lot of these pot stocks hit their 52-week lows, so we're going to get right into that. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. So the first company we're going to look at is Aurora Cannabis. So as you can see right here, we hit new 52-week lows, and that was on October 2nd. So that was literally 2 days ago. Aurora Cannabis went as low as $5.05. And you see this red line right here, I've drawn as a support line. We're going to go back in time right here. We've seen Aurora hit these lows before. Well, at least they've come pretty close to it. And this was back in August 14th, 2018. Aurora Cannabis went as low as $5.30. So if you've been invested in the pot sector for quite some time, then you'll know that we've seen this volatility in the past. Before those lows, Aurora Cannabis was hitting highs of $15. So we went as high as $15, and then we went as low as $5.30. And then we've seen those highs again. It's pretty much been super volatile. Also, I do want to talk about recently, during this time, me and Cyberworld, we made a collaboration, and in that video he predicted that there was going to be a crash for Aurora Cannabis, and a lot of people bashed him on that video. So I want to find the exact date of that video. Now that we're looking at the charts today, Cyberworld's prediction was 100% right. So right here we have the video, which was titled Aurora Cannabis Millionaire Predicts ACB Crash, and this was on March 28th, 2019. And as you can see just from these charts right here, we were uptrending. We were hitting a nice little uptrend. Everything was looking right, and I pretty much talked about all the possible resistance lines that we had to worry about before we seen a crash. So in the past, I've already mentioned, we first had the support line that we had to worry about at $8, $7 support line right here, and then let's see if I filled in another line after that. And then at the end of this video, you could see right here another support line at around $5.36. And this was a little bit over 6 months ago. Usually when I do collaborations with Cyberworld, I don't know why people hate on him or why people don't like him, but I'm going to give him a quick little shout out because his prediction was 100% right 6 months ago. Because let's look at the charts now. So we did that video on March 28th, which was right around here. March 28th, we predicted he predicted a crash, which was right around here, and almost immediately after that, Aurora Cannabis started downtrending. And then if you could see that line right here that I've drawn in this video at $5.38, if we look at the charts today, that's exactly what happened. Of course, I lowered the line a little more to $5.14. I could bring it up to $5.30 something if I leave it at the previous line right here. If we put it right here, it still acts as the same support. It pretty much bounced off this line, and right now it seems to be starting an uptrend. Could that have been the bottom for Aurora? It's really unpredictable right now what may happen, but there are a few key things that we do have to consider. For example, it's October, and on October 17th, we're going to have CBD and edibles officially become legal. So all these companies will be making more revenue now. That could give these companies a little push that they desperately need right now. Let me know if you guys want to see me do a collaboration with Cyberworld. If you guys give me 100 thumbs up in this video, I will do a collaboration with Cyberworld. We will talk about his predictions, and as you can see right here, we made these predictions on March 28, 2019. This was during the time when Aurora Cannabis was sitting at $11.83. If you guys want to watch the video, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. But yeah, 100 thumbs up. I'll do a collaboration with Cyberworld. We'll talk about how he predicted this, why he predicted this, or you could rewatch the video and find out exactly what. But we can get his opinion on now what's going to happen after his prediction about this crash, which was where I drew this line. This is the line that I drew on March 28th, which is what I thought would be the bottom of the bottom. I didn't think Aurora could go even lower than that. Of course, Aurora went to $5.05. I want to look at American charts real quick because I did purchase Aurora Cannabis in American as well. So I did purchase Aurora Cannabis at $4.50. It was pretty much on the way down. I had a support line drawn here at $5. I set a limit order to $4.50. I kind of told myself if it goes below $5, I'm definitely going to pick up some American shares because I don't have an American position in Aurora Cannabis, but now I do. I have a position at $4.50. Of course, it's sitting at $4.43, so I'm currently down on my position pretty much 1.8%. That's what I'm down on my position, but I'm pretty comfortable with that position right now, especially in American dollars. So now my average price in American dollars is a lot lower than my average price in Canadian dollars. So now I'm going to get into a few articles, and one of them is going to be talking about what I literally just talked about, which is cannabis 2.0 legalization in Canada. And we're just going to touch up on these articles, and I'm going to give you my opinion. A huge untapped opportunity awaits these companies after cannabis 2.0 legalization in Canada. Many countries are also considering legalizing marijuana for medical and recreational purposes. Amid this backdrop, Grandview Research expects the value of the global legal marijuana market to be $66.3 million by 2025. This expectation implies a compound annual growth rate of 24.1% from 2019 to 2025. Hence, cannabis stocks remain an unattractive investment opportunity despite they're currently trading at lower levels than their historic valuations. Right here we have a graph where they're comparing 6 cannabis companies: Aurora, Canopy, Tilray, Green Thumb Industries, MedMen, and Kushco. So as you can see, the blue is their historical averages and the green was from October 2nd, 2019. And right now we could see their forward EV to sales multiple for these cannabis producers. Everything, all these companies right now, it's way below their historical averages. So that could either mean two things. That could mean that these companies are all very undervalued, or it could also mean that historically they were overvalued. So it could swing either way. So the conclusion is, it seems that the valuations of these cannabis stocks have come down from the stratospheric levels. They're no longer driven by investors' euphoria alone. Instead, they're more reflective on the growth and the risk profiles of these companies, which makes a lot of sense because every time we see a company release earnings that are very disappointing, for example, most recently Canopy and Aurora, we've seen these companies take huge hits. So it's no longer based on hype, it's no longer based on rumors, this and that. We need to see numbers back up the valuations of these companies in order for them to climb. So right now I know a lot of investors are probably worried, but if you've been investing in the pot sector for the past 2 years, this isn't anything new to me. I've seen bigger swings than this. In the past 6 months, we've seen Aurora go as high as $10.27, and then not too long ago, oh no, that's American. We're gonna go back to Canadian charts. So in the past 6 months, we've seen Aurora go almost as high as $14 and then almost as low as $5. So that right there is a $9 swing. And if you've been investing in Aurora since back in the day, since 2017, which is when I started investing, was around October 2017, you would have seen Aurora go as high as $15 and as low as $5. So that's a $10 swing. So this is nothing new to investors. If you look at the historical charts of Aurora Cannabis, you will know that this company has always been volatile, and we've seen huge swings. And the moment we've seen Aurora Cannabis have a huge decline, they've also pushed forward. And this might almost be perfect timing because this is right before legalization 2.0. I'm not saying that these companies are going to shoot up to $15 again, but I would not dismiss that as a possibility. At this point, anything's possible. I'm pretty happy with my $4.50 purchase of Aurora Cannabis in American dollars. So I don't feel like Aurora Cannabis can go any lower than $5. I mean, it's still possible, but I do think this right here is a very strong support. Aurora Cannabis has consistently been hitting these supports and then either breaking below them and hitting their previous supports. So hopefully after this support right here at around $5.20, we see Aurora Cannabis start to uptrend. Of course, now we're going to have to see numbers back up this company. This company won't just uptrend just simply because they're Aurora Cannabis. They need to release good earnings. Cam Batley has promised that they would release positive EBITDA for the past few quarters. Maybe this will be the quarter, and then on top of that, now we have legalization 2.0, which will add even more revenue to all these companies. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. I'm gonna try to post a lot more videos next week. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you guys pick up at the 52-week lows? Are you guys watching Aurora? Do you guys think Aurora can go down even more? Let me know your thoughts. Leave some comments in the comments section. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.